Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are reviewing Samsung's newest fan edition smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Powerful chipset, stunning AMOLED display, upgraded cameras, and up to 7 years of Android updates. Is this the best value flagship of 2025? Let's find out. The S25 FE comes with a premium glass front and glass back, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and a strong aluminum frame. The phone weighs just 190 grams and is only 7.4 millimeters thin, giving it a sleek and modern feel. IP68 water and dust resistant. It also has IP68 certification, meaning it's safe from dust and can survive in water up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This phone features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 1900 nits. Colors are vibrant, contrast is deep, and outdoor visibility is excellent. Under the hood, Samsung uses Samsung's latest Exynos 2400 4nm chipset with a 10-core CPU and Xclipse 940 GPU. Antutu 1,521,114. Geekbench V6 6948. 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme 4262. Performance is fast, smooth, and perfect for multitasking, gaming, and content creation. It comes with Android 16 powered by One UI 8.0, and the biggest selling point? Samsung is giving up to 7 major Android upgrades. That means your phone will stay fresh until 2032. Impressive! On the back, we have a triple camera setup. 50-megapixel main camera, iOS, dual-pixel autofocus, 8-megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, 123 degrees field of view. You can shoot videos up to 8K at 30 FPS and 4K up to 120 FPS. Selfie camera is 12 megapixels, and surprisingly, you can record 4K at 60 FPS, perfect for vloggers. The S25 FE packs a 4,900 mAh battery with fast charging, 45 watts, 65% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging, 15 watts, Qi 2 compatible, reverse wireless charging. In our test, it scored an active usage time of 11 hours and 57 minutes. That means full day usage easily. Sound and connectivity. Stereo speakers are loud and clear. You get USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, wireless Samsung DeX, but no 3.5mm headphone jack. The Galaxy S25 FE comes in 3 storage options: 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, all with UFS 4.0 storage and 8 GB of RAM. So, should you buy the S25 FE? If you want a premium build, stunning display, flagship-grade performance, strong cameras, and long software support, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE is absolutely worth buying. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below.